the inner parts of the pelvis and then down to the lower leg. And so when it shortens and contracts, it adducts the leg or the thigh. And also, then you guys have the adductors, which are these guys right here. And there's different adductors depending on where they attach, but I just have you understand that they're all adductors. They all do the same thing. And if I put a pin, let's say right here, you would call it adductors. This is also, I think, part of the adductors. But
is it the adductor femoris muscle, or is that different?
That is one of them. There's the adductor femoris and the adductor magnus. And I just have you know the group as adductors. Okay, then out here is the sartorius. I'm going to actually dissect the gracilis just a little bit more. Here. Now, what other muscles do you guys have? Because we've got the gracilis.
The tibialis.
Okay, so your tibialis anterior is this muscle right here. So you can, it's a nice meaty muscle, pretty easy to find actually. You just remove some of the connective tissue on it. You can really feel the sharp edge of the tibia, and then the tibialis anterior is just lateral to it. So you can kind of clean this up a little bit more, and you can actually find the outer border. Okay, so, whew, that tail's in the way. So, sartorius, gracilis, adductors, and then as you guys had already found, your iliosoas. That's probably the hardest one to see. It's right here.
I like how that's the first one we want.
So biceps, which one are you guys looking at?
6 through 10.
Okay, so iliosoas is here. Adductors are here.
Okay.
Lost my spot again. Sartorius is this muscle. Gracilis is this muscle. It's a little shredded. You'll want to look at other cats. And the tibialis anterior is here. Now for the sartorius, I want to show you also how this muscle is very strap-like. And you can see it attaching all the way on the back side of the body. Now that's part of the tensor fascia lata right there. And so underneath that is the sartorius.
So can we start getting into our other cats today, would you recommend, or not?
It's totally up to you guys. You're working kind of at your own pace once I've shown you things. You just have to have everything done in time for the quizzes. Okay, so do you see how we've kind of pulled this away? See how it attaches to the back? Right there, that's it.
Having a little blue pad thing.
And then this is it. And it attaches all the way. This is the sartorius. So sartorius, and you can usually do the same thing with the gracilis. Get your hand under it like that, but remember how it's ripped right there. So sartorius, gracilis. Then you've got the iliosoas right there. The adductors there. Now, although this isn't your muscle, this is the semimembranosus, and it's something to think of because this is the hamstrings back here. And when you remove the gracilis, you can actually see part of the hamstrings right there.
Those aren't the adductors, or those are the adductors?
The adductors are higher. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay.
Thank you. So we got these.